Good morning, my name is Matthew Kerr. I work at Grow Limited and I'm down here at the kitchen garden as a volunteer. These trusses are far too heavy and too much for the plant to cope with. So what I did, and you'll see how beneficial that's been to the plant, because the tomatoes are starting to form now, whereas before it was going to take forever with that volume. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to show you how to sort this problem out. So I'm going to reduce this truss now, and I'm going to be a little bit savage about it. I'm taking off the dropper, that one there. Now all you have to do is go around and trim off all these little trusses, leaving the blossom to fruit up, and the plant will feel highly delighted about that and start developing tomatoes. So that's the idea. You'll notice that I've cut the dropping truss off there, leaving the uprights as it is. Now it's up to you to determine how much you want to keep on it. You won't do the plant any harm. Just make sure that your secateurs are clean before you start, and give it a little feed after you're finished, and then you'll just have to wait and see then.